Very pretty property with great breakfast. Rooms in the villa are very nice and the staff are helpful. Superb hotel staff. Amazingly beautiful rooms. Outside road is a little challenging, but once inside it feels like paradise. I fell in love with the building and the coziness of the place. The breakfast was fantastic and homely. The staff was friendly and the location is ideal. We loved staying at the Mandala. It was so beautiful. The staff were very helpful with all our requests. The garden and all of the food we had there was amazing. So thankful. Zox. This is my first time staying in Mandala Boutique Hotel and the experience was excellent. It is centrally located with access to the nearby presidential palace as well as beautiful temples. Room is big and clean with fast internet connection. I will highly recommend tourists. It was our first journey to Vientiane. As soon as we stepped in the reception, the staff greeted us with a warm welcome. After our long night we felt quite at home. The atmosphere of the surroundings was calm and the decoration was artistic. Staying here, you can breathe the fresh air and enjoy breakfast with service mind. The food was excellent and the rooms were very clean and fresh. This hotel is just great. What a lovely place, beautiful garden, awesome staff. We felt so happy here and will definitely come back. And if you worry about the distance to the center, Vientiane is a village and easy to be walked. Smile. Good location off the main hustle and bustle area, but about 3 minutes drive away. Quiet and convenient. Clean and comfortable. Good value for money. Small hotel but great service. An old French-style house makes me feel like staying home. Bed and linen are like 5-star standard. However, just one bottle of water is not enough for guests. Air conditioner in my room does not work so well. But all other things are very impressive. I felt like home staying there. Lobby, restaurant, library, garden are small but beautiful. Local yogurt at breakfast is very delicious. I stayed in Mandala Boutique Hotel for one night and I am very satisfied with hotel. The hotel interior was exotic and had beautiful garden. The room was very cozy and clean and well equipped with amenities. Air-conditioned system and Wi-Fi works very well. Breakfast was well made and delicious. It's a little bit away from downtown, but you can take tuk. The hotel was quite nice and the room seemed quite fresh and new. The breakfast was good and the staff helpful. Homestay style with perfect ambience and surrounding, close to many temples. Located close to the center near the French embassy and to an hospital, the hotel is in the middle of a residential area with a temple at the beginning of the street. The staff is very friendly like the Lao people, always smiling, caring. I had a room outside of the main house with a large bed, large bathroom with a shower. I really recommend the hotel for solo and couples. We had a lovely stay at the Mandala. The suite was fantastic and great value. It was the perfect location and atmosphere for a romantic and relaxing escape.